Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon tacos. Start by choosing fresh salmon, pat it dry, and season with salt, pepper, and cumin. Heat a skillet until hot, add oil, and sear salmon skin side down for a crisp finish. Flake the cooked salmon into bite-sized pieces, toss with lime and cilantro, and assemble on warm corn tortillas with slaw and a creamy sauce. I like to keep ingredients simple for the only way to make salmon tacos. Use fresh salmon fillets, corn tortillas, cabbage slaw, lime, cilantro, and a creamy yogurt or mayo sauce. For seasoning, use salt, black pepper, cumin, and smoked paprika for gentle heat. Prep slaw with lime and a pinch of sugar to balance acidity. Warm tortillas in a dry pan for flexible shells before assembling each taco now. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: pick up the book The Simple Path to Wealth to Rethink Money and reward yourself after cooking. I find a good read pairs well with taco night and slow meals. Check the description for the link and other deals and save it for later. Thanks for the support, everyone. Now let's get back to the video. Key cooking steps make these salmon tacos sing. Pat and season the fillets, then pan-sear over medium-high heat for about 3 to 4 minutes per side depending on thickness. Avoid overcooking so the fish stays moist. Let the salmon rest briefly, then flake with a fork into large chunks. Finish with lime juice and a sprinkle of cilantro. Build tacos with slaw, fish, sauce, and an optional hot salsa today.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.